Good morning, year 3. How are you doing today? Now we are going to our maths lesson. And again, go inside your room, take your bag, remove your maths student book and workbook. Open page 186 student book, and on your activity book you are going to practice page 171, review of measuring mass in grams and in kilograms. But I remember we did it in our student book, but I will still repeat for those who are not in the classroom to be able to understand. Okay, so unit 7, practice 5, that is in your workbook, review of measuring mass in grams and in kilograms. Learning objective. Our learning objective is by the end of the lesson, all of you, some of you already knows, you know the relationship between kilometers and meters, meters and centimeters, kilograms and grams, liters and milliliters. Objective 2, will be able to read scale to the nearest division or a half division and use scales that are numbered or partially numbered. So, as you know, our Kahoot challenge starter. Year 3, I just want to know if you still remember what we learned before. I know you have been home for 1 week. I just want to make sure you still remember what we learned before. So this one is, you will go to Kahoot, take the link, copy it in Google. After you copy it in Google, click enter. There's a challenge pin there. Copy the challenge also and paste it there and open the link. After you open the link, I have created for you something. And this is converting between centimeters and meters and between meters and kilometers. We have done it before, but I just want to know if you still remember. But if you still have problem, please let me reteach again. I'll be able to help you anywhere you have problem. Then try this challenge and use your correct name so that I will be able to find your name and grade you. You know, it's a challenge. Your name will be just grading there to see who was number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, up to the last one. And I'll be able to know who have difficult in converting between centimeter and meter and between meters and kilometers. So that when you are back to school, inshallah, I'll be able to select those who they have difficult. I will reteach again, or I will again do revision so that you will be able to understand it. So, what is mass? What is mass? The mass of an object is a measure of how heavy the object is. The mass of an object is a measure of how heavy the object is. So, example, there are 1,000 grams in 1 kilogram. There are 1,000 grams in 1 kilograms. You have written this one in your maths notebook. You can go through it, revisit it, and read it. I want you to recognize and memorize this one. 100 grams is equal to 1 kilograms. And instead of writing grams like that in words, you just put G. And instead of writing kilograms as a long sentence, we just have to put kg. So, grams. The grams is a small unit of mass used to measure light object. If you see anything which is a light object, we use grams. And the mass of a paper clip is about 1 gram. This one is very light. We cannot use kilogram to measure this paper clip. We have to use grams. So we use grams to measure a light object. Okay? We use grams to measure a light object. And kilograms. The kilograms, we write kilogram kg, is a large unit of mass that is used to measure heavier object. Heavier object, we use kilograms. The mass of 1 liter of milk, look at that 1 meters of milk. They cannot use it as grams, no. This is heavier. So they have to use grams. It's about 1 kilograms. 1 kilograms. So even if you work at Lulu, family food, if you're going to buy some fruits, if you go and select them, before you go and pay them at the cashier, you have to go and check the weight to see how many kilograms are they, so that they will put there a price for each kilograms. Okay? So, let's try it out. Let's look at some object that weigh less than 1 kg. Let's look at this object. We have a laptop. Look at that laptop. A laptop has a mass greater than 1 kg. A laptop has a mass greater than 1 kg. And we have a pumpkin. Can you see a pumpkin? A pumpkin has a mass greater than 1 kg. So look at that lemon. A lemon has a mass greater than or less than. What do you think? Is it greater than or less than? Look at them. If you look at your book on page 187, look at number 2, page 187. They said, let's look at some object that weigh less than 1 kg or more than 1 kg. As you can see there, there's a laptop, and they said a laptop has a mass greater than 1 kg. We have a pumpkin. Look at that pumpkin seriously. Is it less or greater? We have lemon, and they say the lemon has a mass less than 1 kg. Look at that mobile. A mobile phone has a mass less than 1 kg. And we have a teddy bear. A teddy bear has a mass less than 1 kg. And look at that car. It's not a toy car, it's a car. So a car has a mass greater than 1 kg. So a light object, if we have a light object, we use grams. If we have heavier object, we use grams. So please don't forget what I told you. 1000 grams is equal to 1 kilograms. Next, pick the correct estimate. Look at this estimation here 3. A, look at that picture. Can it be 5 grams or 50 kilograms? Give me the answer. B, look at that apple. Can it be 1 grams or 100 grams? Give me an answer. Look at that watermelon. Can it be 40 grams or 2 kg? Okay, look at the picture and give me the answer. After you finish that, I want you to check your learner's book. In your student book, we did it in the class. I remember we did and we finished it, but we didn't finish our workbook. So you have to open your workbook on page 171 to 176. They said practice 5, review of measuring mass in grams and in kilograms. Does the object have a mass greater than or less than 1 kilograms? Tick the correct answer. Tick the correct answer. So look at the picture. When you look at the pictures, look at picture A. Look at the picture A. What are they asking you there? They are asking you if that mass is greater than 1 kg or less than 1 kg. Will you be able to give me the answer or you need help? Okay, I will be able just to do for you 2 questions, only 2. I will do for you A and B, and you will finish for me the rest. So, number 1, this picture is greater than 1 kg. It's greater than 1 kg. So you have to tick greater than 1 kg. B, before we get the correct answer, can you tell me this picture what you see? Is it greater than 1 kg or less than 1 kg? Think about it and tell me. Is it greater than 1 kg or less than 1 kg? Okay, it's greater than 1 kg. Look at C. I have shoes. Look at that shoes. That shoes, is it greater than 1 kg or less than 1 kg? I want you to give me the answer. So please go through the questions and finish it for me. Okay? If you have any problem, let me know. I'll be able to help you. Don't worry. I will repeat again if they still have